Hello everybody. As the new Siglent spokesbaby, I've been asked about the Siglent and Rigol entry-level 12-bit oscilloscopes. 12 bits is great because it lets you see tiny signal details. The Siglent SDS 800X HD and Rigol DHO 800 and 900s are pretty similar. Both of them have 7-inch touchscreens and 2 or 4 channels. Both have HDMI sockets, so you can use a really big display if you want, and you can run each of them from an outside PC. Both of them are made for hobbyists as well as engineers, and they're all super value. If you've already got other devices from Rigol or Siglent, I'd stick with the same brand for your scope as well. Joining same make things in similar software can be really helpful. Now that I'm growing up, I try to remember all the new things I come across. So what you want in your scope is lots of memory, so you can remember a bunch of cycles on the screen. Not bicycles, waveform cycles. Siglents have 100 megapoints of memory, and Rigol's up to 50 megapoints of memory. Both of them have enough for zooming in on tiny details, though. The Rigols have memory that's shared across the channels, but Siglent's memory is on each channel, so that's the difference. The Rigol DHO 800s and 900s are really nifty high-performance 70 to 250 MHz digital scopes, and the 900 ones also let you grab 16 digital signals all at the same time. If you want a function generator in the Rigol, you'll need the 900 version. These Rigol scopes, they don't weigh very much. Even I can pick them up. You can get the Siglent HDs in 70, 100 and 200 MHz versions. You can add 16 channel logic analyzers and function generators to any of the 6 Siglent models. That makes them great for doing difficult microprocessor stuff. Sample rate's important too. That's how many readings the scope can take in 1 second. A higher sample rate can grab fast-changing signals better. The Rigol has a sample rate of 1.25 gigasamples per second, and the Siglent is 2 gigasamples per second across all channels. Looks like the Siglent's slightly better there. And waveform capture rate, that's a bit like how often the scope blinks. Siglent's capture rate of 500,000 waveforms a second is about half of Rigol's 1 million waveforms per second. Siglent's front panel has a neat button on it that you can program to do special things. It's called the Quick Action button, so that's fun. I like playing with toy buses, but all these smashing scopes let you check serial buses, and the 900 can check parallel buses as well, and do Bode plots with its built-in signal generator, and lots of other things too for testing all your tricky electronic circuits. A neat thing about the Rigol models is that they're powered through the USB-C port. That's great if you want to take them with you and also separate them from ground. So it means that you can use a Rigol with a power bank. But don't forget, not all power banks will work with a Rigol scope, so be very careful to check. So which one should you get? I think they're both smashing. Rigols have a bit less memory and a bit more limited features perhaps than the Siglent one, and Siglent is better if you need more memory, higher sample rate, and more advanced features and analysis. If you need a smaller box that's easier to use and has USB power for portability, then Rigol's the one. So the best 12-bit scope depends on what you need. More advanced features and analysis for Siglent, or ease of use and portability for Rigol. But don't forget price. Sometimes Siglent has these things on sale, and they give away options and they give away add-ons. So check out Siglent's website now for the latest deals and see their latest toys.